I'll give you a quick overview of this project. So it's a slimline coffee table. I've got a set of legs organised here too. It looks complex, but I'm going to talk you through constructing this through a couple of different videos. The leg structure, there's only one leg, and then we duplicate it 4 times. There's 2 different size rails. The same deal though, we only model one, and then we duplicate it and resize it to different sizes. So other than that and a bit of assembly, it should go together in Fusion 360 fairly quickly. The cabinet carcass might take a little bit longer to do. We might not create the drawer. We'll just see how we go with time for this project. So I've shown you the legs and the cabinet. What does the output of this project look like? Essentially, as we go into the workshop, we want to see a set of plans. So particularly when we get to year 11 and 12, we want to see your planning skills increase so you can actually design your own work. This is a good opportunity to start with, to have a go at modelling something that we show you. So the next thing I need to show you was the drawer. This isn't for this project. It's a different project that they make in year 12. I've added notes and annotations. I've added a parts list. So it kind of gets, it's quite powerful software. You can communicate a lot. And if you've got these technical drawings and you're going into the workshop, you can be really clear about what you're producing and make your life easier when you get in there. So let's just summarize again. We want to try and make the legs and rails. Only one leg is needed and one rail that we resize and save. And we're going to try and put the carcass together as well.